Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining why our stomach makes noise whenever we are hungry. So now, do you know that low rumbling sound our stomach makes when we are hungry actually has a name? But before I tell you guys name, please, I know that most of you have not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'm begging you. So the sound is called Borborygmi. Yes, Borborygmi. So it's spelled Borborygmi. Borborygmi. So that sound happens because our tummy or stomach and intestine keep contrasting to move leftover food, gas, and fluid through the digestive system. So when our stomach is empty, there is nothing to muffle the sound. So that's why we hear it clearer when we are hungry. So it is completely normal and harmless. It's just our digestive system staying active. Do you get? So eating regular balanced meals can help reduce the sound. So it does not really mean something bad. Do you understand? So please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you guys. Please subscribe and like, share. Thank you.